welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley and today we are going to make a cake shaped like a donut. Do you know why? Because who doesn't love a donut? This is a really super easy beginner friendly cake that you can do. Yes, you, and you. I've been trying to do more beginner friendly easy cakes because I kind of feel like I'm a beginner again because it's been so long since I've done cakes and I'm not really that great at them anymore. So I'm trying to do beginner friendly cakes that I can do and that you can do that are easy and that any mom or any person can make for their kids or their friends or just for funsies. So with that said, this is going to be a super easy donut cake, like super easy, and I hope you like it. Let me disclaim, I apologize, I'm sick. I've been sick. It sucks. So sorry about all this. But anyways, I'm just gonna make this short, sweet, to the point. We're gonna make a donut cake today. So let's do this. I'm using a box cake. So a box cake will make 2 6-inch cakes or 1 9-inch cake, and you're only going to need 1 cake round. So you can make like 2 small donuts or 1 large donut. I opted to make 2 smaller donuts, but you're only going to see 1 of them today. Once I get my cake mix mixed up, I'm just going to bake according to package instructions. I baked about 25 minutes, I'd say, at 350. Once the cake has completely cooled, I'm going to leave the dome on it, actually, and I'm going to take a round cookie cutter. The size of the cookie cutter will depend on what size your cake is. I think this is the 1.5-inch cookie cutter, maybe. And I'm just going to center it in the middle of the donut cake, and I'm going to just push it in, and that's going to make the little hole in the center of the donut, you know, so it looks more like a donut. So once I pull that out, because it didn't go all the way down, I'm just going to use a serrated knife to go all the way down and finish cutting it the rest of the way out. And then I'm just going to pull it out using this knife, and I ended up having to use a spoon to get all the little pieces out of the bottom. Next, I'm going to take a serrated knife, and I'm actually just going to start to carve the cake so it's kind of rounded like a donut. So this kind of is for preference. You kind of just got to eyeball this as you're going. I just kind of went around and started by shaving off the edges, like the top cornery looking edges, and I went around the bottom and tried to round it a little bit. I just kept shaving more off until I got it to the round donut shape that I wanted. Once you have it to the shape you want, we're going to take some buttercream frosting, and I actually tinted this with the gel food coloring in the color Ivory to kind of give it a donutty, baked good, just slightly tan, but not really tan color. And then I'm just going to crumb coat this. I'm going to let it chill in the fridge until it hardens, and then I'm going to do another top coat onto it. Of course, you guys have seen me do this a billion times. Let it chill in the fridge again, and then I'm going to take a paper towel, and I'm going to try to smooth it out. I'm actually using the wrong paper towel, so this kind of left a little bit of an indent in it. So I did take a little bit of water and dab it on to smooth it out. But once you have it smoothed out the way you want it, I'm going to ice it with our icing. I did decide to go with blue because I kind of wanted to mix it up and not do the typical pink donut. So this is what we did. Again, completely optional, but I took the paper towel and I smoothed it out again. And then we're going to take some sprinkles to top off this beautiful donut cake, because is it a donut without sprinkles? Possibly, but not today. I'm just going to take some regular sprinkles, and I'm sprinkling it with my hands because I knew if I just shook the sprinkler over it, the sprinkles would stick everywhere on the donut, and I just wanted it on the frosting. Once you have that done, you're done. You have a beautiful donut cake. What did you think? What did you think of the donut? Wasn't it the cutest? I decided to switch it up from the typical pink frosting you would see on a donut and go for blue. And y'all know I love me a good buttercream cake. So I hope you guys liked it, and give it a thumbs up if you love donuts. And comment down below, let me know what's your favorite donut. What's your favorite kind of donut? I like the long ones with chocolate on top and cream in the middle. I think they're called Long Johns, maybe. That's my favorite kind of donut. So comment down below, let me know what your favorite donut is. Because all donuts are awesome. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I would love for you to join us. That's it for this video. I hope you like it, and I'll see you next week. Bye.